Here I am at a really nice trail in Ridgecrest. I think it's called the Rademacher Hills or something like that. Bright and early 7 a.m. The trail is already looking good from here. Got a friend's dog following us too, as you can see right here. He's giving us directions. Man, I wish I had a dog that followed me everywhere like this. No duties there. Still climbing up. It always amazes me seeing all these beautiful rock formations. Nature is beautiful. Sorry. I recommend this trail if you guys are in Ridgecrest. Going down. Oops. I think I hit my pedal onto a rock. Dang. It's a crazy way to start, but it's still good. Okay. That was a very interesting spill. I really gotta keep my pedals level next to some little rocks like that. Such a great place already. Yes. Amazing. I'm loving the flow of this place. Such a great trail around this area. I'm gonna have to do some more desert riding like this, because you see the flow over here. Don't you guys want to come out here? Oh. What a nice drop there. Ooh, nice. Still continuing down. Ooh, amazing. Yeah. Ooh. Nothing beats this. No basketball game, no football games, no club or anything like that beats riding out here. You know? Oh shit. Okay. Oh, such good flow. Oh, what the heck? Nice. That was a really great downhill.
Yeah, it was fun. There was a couple spots I got a little squirrely, but yeah.
I just love the flow over here.
Yeah. Yeah, you're a mob.
Yeah, I know.
At first I was like, where'd he go? It's like farther ahead.
Yeah, I gotta take advantage of this flowy trail, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, sick, dude.
I think it's fun.
Yeah, how'd you like it?
I got a little slow on my dog.
Oh, yeah, he's definitely getting a good workout there too, following you. Really interesting how dogs don't get tired as fast when they go the same speed as you with the bike. Ready when you guys are. A lot of sand here. What the heck?
You good?
Oh yeah, a lot of sand here.
Yeah, it gets pretty bad on like the car like trail.
Oh yeah.
It always looks like, rideable.
From videos it looks like it is rideable, but when you come out here, oh, that changes. Okay, so it looks like right here is the Lone Ridge Trailhead, and that's the word that I can't pronounce, the Rademacher, however you say it. Might try this next time. Still going through sand like I'm at the beach. Oh, still downhill?
Yeah, just a little downhill.
Okay, I'll go first. Yeah,
Yeah.
got it. What a good ride here. Looks like we made it back to where we started. This is by far one of my favorite trails in the desert. Nice, we made it back. It's all good at the Rademacher Hills. You're lucky you have this trail next to you.
Yeah, I'm really gonna try and come out here as much as I can before I probably be in town for like another week.
Oh, okay. What was your name again? Sorry.
Oh, Brendan.
Brendan?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Brendan.
What's your name?
George. See you later, Brendan. It was nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you guys too.
Yeah.
All right.
Yep.